Tomorrow, ano yung natutunan nyo about life, love, and friendship na na-apply mo sa...
After Golden Scenery of Tomorrow po, natutunan ko na after Jason po, about sa life, ano, ah,
Sumasabot tayo sa TikTok eh.
halaga ng friendship. Kasi sa Jason po, doon po nakita yung antin. I mean, every university series naman, yung friendship po ng Univercada. And then yung parang mga lessons po sa Jason mismo about work, about showbiz and all, and about, yun lang po.
Ako po natutunan ko to be supportive. Kasi si Bia, she's always been very supportive of everyone around her. With her friends and life, ganun po.
For my second question, ano yung similarities and differences sa Valeria High Squad at saka sa Univercada? Yung personalities.
Ano po parehas po may sapak pag magkasama. As in, ano po kami pag nagkasama po kami, talagang makulit, maingay, may ganun po. So, halos same lang po, no? Pag ganun. Madami pong similarities isa-isa. At syempre, similar din po yung sa Univercada na pag kailangan yung mga tao, talagang full support po yung full support po sila. Like sa kung ano-ano mang, kahit anong book or kahit anong ganap po sa amin. Yun. Sinusuportahan po namin isa't isa. Thank you po.
Same naman po, dahil yung closeness naman nila, they've always been very supportive, they've always been always there for each other. And parang kahit po dito sa Univercada, sa Valeria High Squad, parang naman support naman sa lahat palagi. Katulad si Jai, si Gab, suot kanina yung shades ng negosyo namin. Talagang very supportive. So, Sunset Avenue, the Sunset Ave PH on Instagram. So, yun. So, yun po.
Oh, yan, okay. Yan. Ganda ng pasok. Next. Yes.
Okay, ang susunod po nating line-up, Matt Suzara, Adam Lorena, Katrina Ochoa. For now, from La Cochera Lovers, we have Matt Suzara.
Hello, good afternoon. Fun question lang yung akin, isang question lang sa lahat ng love team. Sino yung bias nyo na love team without picking your own love team?
Great question.
Ako po personally, high camp. Bias ko po yung high camp as in.
Siyempre ako will kaya din po. Sobrang bayad ko, sobrang bagay. Binigyan kami ng shades kanina eh. Sunset Ave PH, follow mo.
Ako, Will Bea.
Alright, how about you guys over here?
Siyempre ako, Lads Bree. Bakit? Bakit ako magsiselos? May shirt nga. Shirt ni Lad, sorry, that's what I meant. Sorry para na wala.
Ako syempre dun tayo sa original Marvin pa rin ako ngayon.
Hindi, wala lang magawa. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko lalabas eh.
Johnny Cool. Ako din, Johnny Cool.
Sama pala ako. Sabi ko siya alam.
It's Francis, si Francis.
Parang napilitan pa. Jai ko, syempre. Jai ko. Kasi sisiraan yung...
Save ko lang.
Di ako nagsiselos?
Andyan.
Ayun. Oo, sa akin, Will Bea ako.
Ako sa akin na idol.
Sam Ryder.
Ay, puro kaibigan ko lahat. Pero, feeling ko ano ako? Will Bea. Feeling ko sa Sunset ka pa. Baka pwedeng lima pa.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Now from Pika Pika, Adam Laurena.
Asan
Po,
sila?
question ko po
Asan?
kay Jairus and Nicole. So, the story follows two broken people finding healing in each
Text
other.
ko
So,
na
do you
lang.
think it's possible in
Text
real
ko.
life?
Sorry?
Two broken people finding healing in each other. So, do you think it's possible in healing?
It's actually pretty hard, healing each other. Healing each other traumas and broken hearts. It's pretty much hard. Pero if the willingness of both parties is there, I think that would be possible. And I think kailangan anxiously engage lang isa't isa dun sa needs din ng isa't isa. And walang pag-bring up ng mga past traumas. Like, you're just there for each other. You're just there for the present and for the future, not for the past. So I guess that would be possible, but it's gonna be needing a lot of hard work talaga from each other. So I guess that's possible.
Ganun.
I think we've answered this before actually. Natanong din kami, but I think healing is not only through one human being. I think it is a process of meeting different people and being with different people that kind of helps you heal. And I guess if you have a partner, that would also help. But yun nga, tama naman siya. If you guys aren't in the same wavelength, eh baka hindi healing ang mangyari, baka trauma. But it is possible if you guys are on the same page. I believe it's possible to heal. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We have one additional name to the list. Jessica Evangelista from Inquire.